Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you some of the challenges that at least sometimes undergo at the farm. And here you can see my chicken together with my pigeons feeding. And then down there you can see a snake. You can see where it is. I'm sure it must have been a threat to my birds. I found it below my chicken frame system. So when I went to open my chicken frame system, I found the snake down there. There it is, you can see it, still alive. So guys, it's very important that at least when you're keeping birds, different kinds of birds, to always ensure that you always check your farm properly to make sure that you don't lose your eggs or even your chicks from dangerous animals like the one that I've shown you there. So when you find them, you just have to make sure that you deal with them to make sure that your birds are safe. So I'm sure that now they are safe because I've already dealt with the snake. So I'll keep on checking the farm to ensure that they are all in good shape. So now you can see my birds feeding well, and they are not scared of anything. So guys, I hope you've learned something, and if you enjoyed the video, so remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Till next time, bye bye.